Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's everybody doing today? In today's video, yeah, you read the title. Really, Temu? Really? Y'all gonna do me like this while I'm trying to pay my house off? So yeah, Temu reached out to me and wanted me to review some of their products, and I was like, sure. I mean, I was already buying the products anyway, so why not do a review? I was gonna do a review anyway, so this came right on time. So you pronounce it Temu, Tee-hyphen-M-O-O, and it's an online marketplace that offers you competitive prices. They say competitive prices, but I'm not sure if it's competitive because Temu prices are very low. They have free shipping, they have free returns, customer service is wonderful. They got all kind of bundle deals you can do. Yeah, so as I'm doing this video, I'll be sharing my code on the screen, and I will be telling you about all the good deals that Temu has to offer. So yeah, so if you've been here a while, you know Miss V, I do product reviews on my channel, so this fits perfectly for my content, and I'm also honest. Yeah, so I'll give you my honest review of all the products, and yes, and take into account how much I pay for the products when I'm doing the reviews. So yeah, Temu has an assortment of items, from household items. They have budgeting items, they have hair care items, they have home decor, all kind of thing. Organization, you know I'm all about organization. That's why I'm showing you this here. And so yeah, so I'm excited to be doing this video because this is something I'm really interested in. And even though we're on a budget, I'm not even sure if we have to have a envelope to shop with Temu because the prices are so low, and then they give you all kind of deals. I'm not sure, but do what's best for you with your budget. But Miss V is gonna keep on working on paying off her house and getting these cute products to put in the house. The first item I picked up is this pastel highlighter pen set. And next I purchased this budget planner. It's a monthly budget planner that I can use to take to work. You know I like to take a planner to work with me. So yeah. It has plenty of sheets for you to do expense tracking, if that's something you do. I like this page right here down at the bottom where you can do the percentages. It puts me in the mind of a spreadsheet right there to your right. Your spending analysis, so you can see what percentage you use for housing, food, health, transportation, and so forth. So as you can see, this budget planner was very affordable, $5.40. Next we have this cute little pencil pouch, and I'll use that to put my highlighters in. It's nice and durable, feels very thick. And on to household items, this is a non-stick oven mat. You put this in the bottom of your oven so that you don't have to clean the oven as often. This is a one piece. I need to go back and get another one. And this is a hair drain hair catcher. This would have saved me a lot of money in the past. And these are some mesh shoe bags. You put your tennis shoes in there. You know, when you put your tennis shoes in the washing machine and the shoestrings get all watered up, you don't have to worry about that when you use the mesh bag. And this is a vacuum wireless vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna keep this in my car. And the last thing I picked up was these magnetic curtain ties. They are so cute. It came in a pack of 2, and I think I'm gonna go back and order some more for my other set of curtains. So yeah, I want to go ahead and thank Temu for sponsoring this video, and I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know in the comments section, have you tried Temu, or do you plan on trying Temu? Remember to check my description box. I have each individual item that I purchased linked, so you can just go straight to that item if these are some things that you are interested in. And I will also have a link where you can go ahead and download the Temu app, and when you download it, you'll get all kind of perks. So yeah.